Are you a mouth breather that snores at night and doesn't feel completely refreshed when you wake up in the morning, regardless how many hours you sleep? Then consider using a mouth tape. It will encourage nasal breathing to help improve airflow and oxygenation, decrease your snoring. At the same time, it will improve the quality of your sleep so that you'll feel more refreshed when you wake up in the morning. However, look for breathable kind of tapes that are paper-based or medical-grade tapes that are designed for this purpose.